Yo! So I got this month's Kawaii box. I wasn't expecting it to come in today, but it did. So let's check it out. So it looks like this month's theme is the Easter Bunny Party. Makes sense? Easter weekend? That works. So we got a cotton swab dispenser, a plushie, egg molds. Oh, cool. A mascot, a picnic sheet, and card game. Sweet. So the picnic sheet. Oh, it's plastic. Still, it's cute. So 90 by 60. So just big enough for a couple of plates. That's so cute. I may have to keep that. Oh, I love these already. I haven't even opened them. Oh, yeah. Yep, yeah. No, these are staying. These are cute. Go with the big old plushie. He's like right there. Oh, he's so cute. Aww. I was kind of hoping for the cat, but you know what? He's just as cute as well. He's staying too. Oh, he's got a beanbag butt. Funny. Akuma. Egg shaper. Oh, wow. Oh, that is interesting. Shapes them into little Akuma. I may now have to go buy eggs just so I could try this out. Oh, that's so cute. Gratuma. So chiclet. Cool. Let's see which one we've got. So the Kuma and the 2 egg halves. So probably, it looks like number 3 is what I'm guessing. Oh no, he's got a big thingy. So number 5. Aw. And then tail. Come here. Oh, and then the cotton swab dispenser. I'm not sure how I feel about that. I might keep it, or I might give it to somebody. But I think for now we'll probably keep it because I said so. Yeah. So that's this month's box. I mean, the box came a little beat up, but I was glad I was home to get it today. I didn't even know it was coming today, so because I never got an email. So we'll just call it good. I don't think I did a review for last month's box. I think I just ran out of time because I was traveling. So anyway, well, enjoy for all of those that haven't gotten it yet or have gotten it.